In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate and share a checkout link on Whop. First, let's start with logging into your Whop account. This is your gateway to managing your products and transactions, so you'll want to head over to the Whop website and enter your credentials. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is essentially your control center for all things related to your account and products. Now, from your dashboard, locate and click on the Products tab. This section lists all the products you currently manage. Here you'll want to select the specific product you wish to create a link for. Whether it's a new item or a popular product you've had for a while, make sure you've selected the right one, as this will ensure you're generating a link for the intended product. Once you have the product selected, we need to dive into payment and checkout options. This part is crucial because it's where you'll decide how customers will interact with your product transactions. Often found in the product settings, you may see options labeled as payment links, checkout links, or even share product. Click on any of these links as they essentially lead you to the same process of creating a shareable checkout link. With that navigated, it's time to actually generate your link. Click the option that says Generate Link. Here, you might be prompted to make some decisions about your product offering. You'll need to choose the product or subscription tier if you have multiple offerings under one product. This is an excellent opportunity to also set any pricing specifics or introduce discounts should you have any promotional campaigns running. And finally, you can set expiration dates or usage limits for the link. These options are great for time-sensitive offers or limiting use to certain customers. After you've configured these settings to your liking, the next step is straightforward. Once your link is generated, click on Copy Link. This simple action saves the link to your clipboard, making it ready to be shared immediately. You're almost there. Finally, it's time to get the word out. With your link copied, you can now share it with your customers in whichever way suits your audience best. Send it out through email for a direct approach, post it on social media for broader reach, or update your website with a new link to catch visitors already exploring your offerings. Whichever method you choose, ensure your customers are aware of the product and any special terms like discounts or limited usage that you've decided on. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough for generating and sharing a product checkout link on Whop. Follow these steps and you'll be able to streamline the purchasing process for both you and your customers. Thanks for watching and happy selling.